Hey friends, I'm Shanna with LifefulAndFrugal.com. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. At Lifeful and Frugal, we teach you how to live a happier, healthier, and more beautiful life on less. If that sounds like something that you'd like to learn more about, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss any of the good stuff we have for you. Go ahead and drop us a comment and a thumbs up as well. It really helps us with all the algorithms on all the different social media platforms, and we really appreciate your support. I'm in my kitchen again today, but we're doing something a little bit different. I won't be cooking anything, or I'm actually working on a project that I really wanted to do last year during our kitchen renovation, but by the end of 9 months, I just ran out of steam, and it was one of those things I thought, okay, I'll get back to it at some point. So today is the day. It's cold, wet, and miserable outside. It seemed like a good time to do a little DIY project for my kitchen. So today we are going to be making Frugal custom-made drawer dividers. I love my kitchen. I love how everything turned out. I love the cabinetry that M&M Millworks made for us. I couldn't be happier with the results, but there are just a couple of things that I wanted to go ahead and customize, because even with a new kitchen, we have ended up with an everything drawer or a junk drawer, just like everyone has in their kitchen. And so I thought I would address 2 drawers specifically. One, like I said, is my junk drawer or my everything drawer. The other drawer that I want to address is the drawer next to my stove where I have all my spatulas and spoons and stuff. And I just would like some dividers to keep those organized and make it as efficient as possible. So let's go get started with this simple DIY project to make Frugal custom drawer dividers. needed something to keep this tight while the glue sets up, so I just put a matchbox and then some cardboard in between just to snug it up so it's pushed real tight against the board, and then a book, The Portable Patriot, multi-purpose. So hopefully that'll hold it in place while the glue sets up. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed this simple DIY project to create Frugal custom drawer dividers. It's a really great project because you can also use the same method to organize your drawers in your bathroom or in your dresser drawers or even in your office. So I hope you enjoyed the process. If you enjoyed it, we would encourage you to like, share, and subscribe, again, so you never miss any of the good stuff that we have for you, and we hope that you have a wonderful day.